Alright, I want to take a moment out here and show some cheatgrass characteristics and what it's partnered with here. Lots of ryegrass that obviously is always unappetizing for horses, and there have been 2 horses turned out here all summer, and this is 2013. The reservoir, Elkhead Reservoir down here, this is northwest Colorado, outside of Craig a little bit, and let's see, don't have to look too far for cheatgrass anywhere really, but just want to show you the root system and such, or lack of, if you will, and how easy that comes up, and that's it. That's all there is. There's just nothing to it. But I expect, without further research for my own education, that they grow so fast, not only from all the seeding, self-seeding, but because it doesn't grow that far in, so it can just kind of crawl along pretty fast, and you know, little bunches, bunch grass, just like the blasted rye. Nothing eats this rye until there's absolutely nothing else, and there's hardly anything in here anyway. As you can see, like I said, 2 horses all summer. This is about 100 and some odd acres that they've brought down pretty well. All the good stuff anyway. And we're in September, just about October regrowth, which is coming up all right, but they're turned out on it, so it doesn't have a whole lot of room to grow.